Okay, now let's talk about the clove flower and turmeric anti-aging serum, which is step 3 of the JUARA Face Ritual. InStyle magazine also called this serum Botox in a bottle because it produces results so quickly. It brightens, it tightens, it smooths, and it firms, and you see real results very quickly, but also with repeated and regular use long term. And it's good for all skin types. The serum is a real anti-aging super juice for the skin, packed with botanical antioxidants and anti-aging nutrients that help firm, tighten, smooth, and brighten the skin, including plant peptide, goji berry, clove flower, turmeric, hyaluronic acid, green tea, algae. This list goes on and on. And what's really cool is that these ingredients and the product have been tested extensively to work, to produce results, and it won't irritate the skin. So we really know it's good for all skin types. So how do you use the serum? You apply the serum after you have applied the tamarind tea hydrating toner, and your skin should still be a little bit moist, okay? You apply 2 to 3 pumps, 1, 2, of the serum into the palm of your hand. It's a really nice oil-free gel that spreads nicely, easily all over your face. And really important is you go under the eyes here because you want the nice anti-aging effect right here. And of course, all over the forehead, and 2 pumps should be enough to also cover your neck. And then you wait about 10 to 15 seconds for it to be absorbed. But you want to make sure that your skin is not completely dried when you apply the next step, the moisturizer. So keep your skin nice and moist.